Hey guys, today I'm super excited to bring you these Paw Patrol PEZ Dispensers. We have Rocky.
3, me, go!
And Rubble.
Let's get it!
It's Chase.
He's on all the line.
Sky.
It's a gadfly!
And Zuma.
Let's dive in!
Let's get some candy in these fun PEZ dispensers. Let's start with Rocky. Rocky's on a green base. We've got 3 candies for Rocky. 2 are raspberry and 1's lemon. Let's put lemon inside of Rocky. Our lemon candy's in. Okay, Rocky, let's see your lemon candy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 pieces of candy. Now let's check out Rubble. Rubble's on a yellow base. He comes with 2 grapes and an orange candy. How about we use one of those grape candies? Ready to put our grape candy in? Open up, Rubble. Make sure they're all pushed in and slide them back down. Now he's ready. How about you share? All right. Hey, I'm ready for some candy here. Okay, Chase, I think we can get you some. Chase is on a blue base. Chase has 3 candies, raspberry, grape, and orange. Let's put some orange in Chase. Okay, Chase, open up. Chase is ready to rock and roll. Yummy! Okay, Sky, you're next. Sky is on a pink base. It matches her goggles. She has 3 PEZ candy, lemon, raspberry, and orange. Oh, please let me have the pink raspberry candy. Raspberry candy coming right up. Some pink candy for a pink sky. Let's see how it goes. Those are so yummy. Okay, Marshall, hope you're ready. Marshall's red base matches his red fire hat. He comes with 2 raspberry and a lemon candy. Let's try out that lemon candy. Hey, when's it gonna be my turn? Okay, Zuma, here you go. Zuma's on an orange base. He's sitting and so cute. He comes with grape, orange, and cherry candies. All right, let's try this cherry. I love to share my candy. I had so much fun with our Paw Patrol PEZ dispensers. Do you remember which flavor of PEZ we put into Rubble? If you know, leave your answer in the comment section. Hey guys, today the Paw Patrol is hungry and they need a bath. So let's get started. Let's get the water out. Whoa, watch out, Sky and Rocky. In goes Ryder and Marshall. Having fun, guys?
Yeah!
Whoa, and now Rubble's in there. Water splashing everywhere. Chase hopped in. It's starting to fill up. Go Zuma! Wow, they're having fun. Now let's cook something up for our Paw Patrol. How about a steak? Time to flip it. Let's get it on our plate. Ooh, that looks good. Now I think they'd like some corn too. Let's turn it over. Now we'll add it with our steak. What a delicious meal. How about a nice juicy burger? We could also make some coffee. Okay, I think our coffee's done. I think we need some more coffee. Okay, I think our coffee is ready. That looks super delicious. Think it's time to finish our burger. Okay, let's get it onto our bun. Looking good. I'll add add some cheese and lettuce and tomato and our top bun. Oh yeah, that looks so yummy. Ready for some steak.
Yay! Woo-hoo!
Just right. I love the taste of this burger.
Yeah!
Oh yeah, this stuff is so good. I love corn. How about some coffee? So warm. Our Paw Patrol pups are all done. Let's clean up these dishes. All right, let's get some water in here. And we need to add some soap. Oh, some blueberry soap. Okay, how about some Marshall berry soap? We'll mix it all around. Now we've got some Sky Punch soap. All right, now let's make it super bubbly. We'll start with some Sky Bubbles. Now for some Chase Bubbles. How about some Marshall Bubbles? Now let's finish cleaning these up. Now let's get all of our Paw Patrol's teeth cleaned up. Here we go, inside. Everybody in.
Yay! Woo-hoo!
I'll grab a toothbrush. That looks good, Marshall. Okay, Rubble, your turn. All clean. And now Sky. Perfect. Here we go, Chase. Zuma's next. Okay, Rocky. And last up is Ryder. It was so much fun eating and cleaning up with our Paw Patrol. Do you remember which 2 foods they had? If you know, leave your answer in the comment section.